Watch your back, coming through. All right, bring that pallet right here.
We are running a little high on the vacuum pressure.
I see that. Bringing it down to spec.
Are the levels stable now?
Yes, seems efficient enough.
The color differential is increasing. We should pull back slightly on the heat.
Okay, adjusting the parameters.
The reject rate spiked here at 1400 hours. Check the calibration logs for sorter 3.
Levels look good on silo 4.
Confirmed. The handheld unit is reading 85% capacity.
Okay, this batch is complete. Let's move to line 3.
The reading here seems slightly high.
I agree. Let's adjust the valve slightly and monitor the change.
Watch your left side, bring it forward. All right, set for lane 4. Go ahead and drop it.
Inside the air cleaning chamber, high-velocity air streams create a vortex, separating impurities from the peanuts with surgical precision.
We need to maintain this temperature for the next 12 minutes.
Confirmed. The flow rate is steady on belt 3.
Check the flow rate on hopper 3.
Looks steady. We are within the target range.
Pressure looks stable at 40 psi.
Noted. The flow rate is consistent.
The viscosity levels are optimal and the temperature is holding steady. Yeah.
The bubbling is subsiding, right on schedule. Pressure is stable at 0.5 torr.
Check the viscosity on line 3.
Looks good. The crunch is holding steady.
The pressure's stabilizing right here.
Good. The viscosity is exactly where we need it.
The viscosity readings are consistent with the last batch.
Good. The sensory analysis confirms the expected profile.
We keep the temperature steady here to maintain the perfect consistency before it moves to the next stage.
The suction pressure seems stable on layer 3. Yes, the alignment is within tolerance.
Here on the main line, precision is everything. Our operators ensure every jar is filled to the exact specification before moving on to sealing.
The seals look consistent on this batch.
Noted. Air pressure is steady at 20 psi.
The alignment is perfect on this batch.
Yeah, the new guides are working well.
The seal integrity on batch 4B is fluctuating slightly here.
I see it.
The pressure on the wrapper seems high.
It's within tolerance, but let's monitor the next batch on the tablet.
Pallet 34B, aisle 5, move it to staging lane 2 immediately.
Copy that. Moving now.
Slow it down right there. Okay, bring it back slowly. You're clear.
Looks like we got the full order here.
All right, noted. We still need to process those 3 pallets by the end of the day.
Is that everything for the customer?
Yes, the one jar. Thank you.